How to multiply the whole number 37 by 1 half. First, convert this whole number 37 as a fraction considering 1 as a denominator. Now multiply this fraction with this fraction. So how to do that? Just multiply top number together and bottom number together. So we are getting 37 times 1 means 37, 1 times 2 means 2. Now divide 37 by 2. 2 goes into 3 how many times? 1 times 1 times 2, 2, subtract 1. Bring down the next digit. 2 goes into 17 how many times? 6, 7 times 14, 8 times. 8 times 2, 16. Subtract 1. Now convert this number into mixed number. So 18 is our whole number part. This will be our numerator. This will be our denominator. So 18 and 1 half is our answer. This is a mixed number.